The secret psychology of kissing. Why do we kiss? We could show romantic passion by rubbing foreheads, locking elbows, or by turning back to back and bumping butts. We could even mash our ears together. Legend has it that Inuits, Eskimos, display sexual passion by rubbing noses, but it turns out the Inuit practice of kunnik, touching noses, is actually just a warm greeting for families and friends, not a show of sexual passion. Although nothing to sneeze at, our noses even for Inuits do not seem to be the organ of choice for expressing romantic love. So out of all our candidate body parts, what is it about our lips that make them so special when it comes to matters of love? Before answering the question, it's important to point out that lip-to-lip romantic kissing is not universal across the globe. Roughly half of the human societies lock lips, the other half, mostly primitive cultures in remote places, view the practice as gross or even sharing dinner. But still, about half of the human race shows sexual affection by juxtaposing lips and, very often, by touching tongues. Why? We could show affection through some other gesture, right? So why do we choose to kiss one another? Why is that a normal thing for us to do? Kissing is something we learn from a young age as something two people who love each other do. Kissing is literally seen as a key of sorts for love. It can honestly make or break a potential relationship. Research has found that men are more likely to initiate kissing before sex and women after. There is a sense of attachment around kissing, especially regarding women, but of course, having something to do with both men and women. Kissing releases a number of neurotransmitters and neuropeptides in the brain that are thought to be responsible for increasing feelings of attachment in general. Our lips and tongues occupy a large amount of somatosensory brain tissue. Kissing causes a lot of stimulation because of this. It's almost like brain-to-brain contact depending on how you look at it in this way. You might consider kissing to be just as if not more important than sex when it comes to being truly close to someone in that sense. Our lips and tongues inhabit a big quantity of somatosensory brain tissue. Kissing triggers a great deal of stimulation due to the fact that of this. It's practically like brain-to-brain contact depending upon how you take a look at it in this method. You may think about kissing to be simply as if not more vital than sex when it becomes really near somebody, because since sharing a kiss due to the fact that of how delicate our lips are causes a deep sense of connectedness. Kissing makes us feel acknowledged and enjoyed. It is something the majority of people view as a fundamental part of a relationship and can result in enthusiastic sensations. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.